Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to log in Cosmoprof Credit Card login, and also I want to talk about what are the pros and cons of Cosmoprof Credit Card in this video. So firstly, I want to show you how to log in Cosmoprof account and how to create a Cosmoprof credit card. Firstly, you need to visit the cosmoprofbeauty.com website, and then as you see on the right up side of the website, there is login and sign up button here, and I will click it now. And as you see, if you have an account, you can log in your email and password. But if you don't have an account on cosmoprofbt.com, you need to click register for an account button here, and then you will have an account, and then you need to click the login button again, and you need to log in. You need to type your email and password. Yes, it's done. You will be able to have an cosmoprofbt.com account. So what are the pros of Cosmoprof credit card? And if you have a Cosmoprof credit card, you can have 3% of purchases at Cosmoprof and $10 of Next Pro with $50 purchase after opening your credit card. And you can do annual gifts. They are during your birthday month and anniversary of your credit card opening. And after annual $4,000 spent, you can get platinum status, which gives free shipping on purchase over I think $150, and you don't need to pay fee annually, and you can have repeatable credit card issuer. And also there are some cons of the Cosmoprof credit card. And for example, you cannot be used stores other than Cosmoprof and Hello Beauty, and it has low sign up bonus of $10 of next purchase, and it's only available to beauty professionals. Yes, thank you for watching my video. Please like and share the videos for more videos. Thank you. See you. Bye.